welcome to the channel. Today I got this YTH22V26 Husqvarna lawnmower. I saw this on Facebook Marketplace, picked it up for $100. The guy that owned it said that he would crank and crank and crank and crank and it wouldn't start. He said that he would try to start it like 30 times and then it would finally go. So it was hard starting, but it runs great when it's running. All right, let's give this a try. And choke on. So, I've already figured this out, but I wanted to show you. Right down here, the moment that I actually got the thing home, I pulled this air cleaner off thinking, maybe the choke isn't working. So a quick test for that. Just remove the cover, pull the air cleaner out, and then cover the intake a little bit while you try to start it. I'll just remove this hood to make it easier to see. Disconnect your wires first. Right here, that should pull up when we turn the choke on. So this cable is out of adjustment. And pull back until we lift that choke up. Now we're set, and I can tighten it back down. Now let's try it again. So, for $100 and about 5 minutes of work, if that, we have a lawnmower that's worth over $1,000. Don't be afraid to dig into things. It can save you a lot of money. Indicator on here, a total of 160 hours on this machine. As you can see, she's perfectly fine.